Hello everyone, in front of me is Realme GT6 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So this is the panel that we want to reach. Then click on settings icon, select languages, tap on add keyboard and choose the one that you want to use. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language, or in search area you can provide it and then choose. Tap on done. Now you can remove unnecessary language. You can stay with one language only if you want to, but let me stay with both so you can see how you can switch between languages. So just by tapping here, you can switch between them on this word icon. If you have one language only, this icon will not be here. Let me show you, let me just remove Chinese, and now you've got one language only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.